Well, hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's episode of Personal Finance Today, we are going over 10 smart ways to make money online. If this sounds interesting to you, or if you want to learn more about personal finance, please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn my number one way to make a full-time income online, please click on the first link in the description below. Now back to our topic, what are 10 smart ways to make money online, starting today? From enabling our social lives to assisting us in launching our entrepreneurial goals, technology has managed to weave its way into every part of our society. You'll be able to tap into the unlimited potential of the internet by developing a website and expanding your reach. That is, we are referring to money-making prospects. Our video on how to make money online will give you with proven strategies that have worked for millions of individuals. Whether you're an educator, writer, web designer, or aspiring influencer, the first way to make money online is by placing an ad on your website. You can start making passive income just by having your own website. To create an online money-making website, you'll only need to follow a few simple steps. To begin, choose from a variety of professionally designed website designs. Register for a domain name, and sign up for free website hosting. Then you can start considering the many options for monetizing your website. Online advertising has proven to be a reliable approach time and time again. Google AdSense can be used to insert advertisements on your website. This is a simple option because Google matches advertisements to your site based on its content and visits, and it's also free. Google then pays you based on how many people see or click on your ads. The second way you can make money online is by designing websites. Whether you have prior experience or are a natural at it, building websites can be a lucrative source of money. Web designers are in high demand as the business expands at a rapid pace. To be noticed, however, you'll need to build a name for yourself. Working with the appropriate clientele can help you improve your web design portfolio and put your skills on display. How can I find my perfect customer? You might be wondering. The easiest method to start getting qualified leads is to join a reputable online marketplace for website designers. You'll have access to a platform that will allow you to promote your work, determine your price, and connect with potential clients who are wanting to acquire your services. Consider forming a partnership with a company that will provide you with particular web design tools. As a Wix partner, you'll have access to expert resources that can help your business thrive, and the ability to enlist the assistance of a corporate account manager who is dedicated to enhancing your sales funnel conversion. A third way you can make money online is, you can start writing a blog. The great thing about blogging is that you can write about whatever you want, as long as there are people who want to read it. Your free blog will eventually draw website traffic and provide monetization opportunities. One of the reasons blogging is a wonderful digital nomad career is because of this. It will be the ideal moment to investigate the many money-making alternatives accessible to great bloggers once it begins to take off and grow an audience. For example, you can use Google AdSense to monetize your blog, or provide premium subscriptions to diehard fans for exclusive access to your content. Always consider your readers' choices and interests, no matter which path you adopt. Send an email blast with a survey to check in with them and see what they want. Then you'll be able to figure out what interests them and how to monetize those ideas right on your own website. So many people shop online, so at number 4 on our list of ways to make money online is, you can start an online store. Shopping on the internet has grown to be associated with convenience. As a result, more individuals are shopping online than ever before. By starting your own online store, you may get a piece of this lucrative e-commerce pie. Choose an e-commerce website builder that has complex business features like secure payment and checkout, shipping and marketing tools, and shop analytics to aid in the management of your business. If you open an internet store, you'll be establishing your own business, so make sure you're ready. To begin, you'll need to put all of your company ideas to the test before presenting them to the public. Do some market research and ask your friends and relatives for comments. They'll be able to provide you with useful information for improving your product or service. Remember that selling something people truly want gets you closer to success as a business. At number 5 on the list, you can start a dropshipping business. Did you know that you don't need to stock up on things to be an internet seller? Dropshipping allows you to sell things through a third-party retailer who handles the entire order fulfillment procedure for you. All you have to do now is locate the appropriate products for your company and establish contact with a supplier. This also implies that as soon as you incorporate your drop shipping products into your website, you may start a drop shipping business and start accepting clients. If you have a following online, you can try number 6 on our list, make memberships available for a fee. The truth is that there are ways to make money online that can help you build a stronger website. One of them is adding a membership area to your website, where your fans can interact with you more. The premise is that you charge a fee for membership in exchange for access to exclusive benefits. Regardless of the numerous membership models available, they all share the goal of converting site visitors into paying customers. You can offer premium online services, in-depth guides, downloadable material, and even build a VIP lounge using Wix Forum, where members can gladly join and start discussions around similar interests, by adding a members section to your site. Coming in at number 7 on our list of ways to make money online is, you can start selling used items. It could be stuffed with old clothes, your Lego collection, or your first pair of sneakers. Many of these stored goods are still too valuable to throw out on the street, even if you have outgrown them. Rather, you can make some money and clear up some room by selling these products used. Get on eBay or Amazon, decide on an asking price for your items, and then sit back, relax, and wait for the bids to pour in. At number 8 on this list, you can make money online by selling photographs. If you're a photographer, why not put your abilities to use by developing a photography website where you can sell your work? If you already have a huge photo collection, you can spend most of your efforts on branding and marketing. It may require some advertising and a little patience. Furthermore, organizations such as Shutterstock, iStockPhoto, and Shutterfly are prepared to use your inventive photographs. By submitting your finest work via their website, you can become a paid contributor to any of these stock picture services. Coming in at number 9 on this list, you can provide print-on-demand services. You've definitely considered selling your own merchandise as a designer seeking for ways to generate money online. You'll be able to kill 2 birds with 1 stone by increasing exposure, while simultaneously producing a regular stream of income. However, how would you go about doing it? Print-on-demand is a low-risk way to sell your bespoke t-shirts, posters, books, and other items. Purchasing and controlling inventory is no longer a bother. Simply link your online store to a print-on-demand service. Select the types of things you wish to offer, such as apparel, homeware, prints, or accessories. Then, create mock-ups of your unique design on items and share an image of the product for customers to see on your website. When pricing your goods, keep the following elements in mind: product cost, profit margin, and design and delivery charges. At number 10 on our list, you can start working as a freelancer. Successful freelancers understand how to make money online, building a new business model that combines efficiency and flexibility. Whether you're a freelance writer, artist, lecturer, or web designer, you'll find a vibrant and diversified marketplace. If you want to start working as a freelancer, you'll need 2 things: a well-defined area of expertise and connections to potential clients. You may construct a freelancing website, choose a pricing plan, and start accepting job offers once you've decided what services to provide. Well, I hope you liked today's video. Maybe one of these online businesses is the right fit for you. Before you go, if you want to know my number 1 way to make a full-time income online, please click on the first link in the description below. Until the next episode of Personal Finance Today, stay safe out there.